it was a case that was bound to be dismissed. And I told my client after taking the first witness and after the cross-examination, it became crystal clear that there was no. And like I did say, I think the Honorable Attorney General reviewed the file and came to the conclusion that this matter would have to be withdrawn from the court. For me, I think it's commendable, you know. But my client will still have to decide. My clients will still have to decide what to do in the matter. Having been kept away from his family for 5 years on a frivolous charge, more so that he was even in detention. He was in custody on the day of the protest, 5th of August, 2019. Those who are accused of stealing over 100 billion are given bail and allowed to travel out of the country. But this gentleman has been kept away for 5 years from his family. Initially, his movement was restricted to Abuja. And we had to rush to the Court of Appeal to have those conditions lifted. Now that he's a free man, happily, once the passport is made available, he can rejoin his family. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
For your cooperation too.
Thank you very much.
Social work, please this way. Okay. So tell us, this whole issue of revolution now, protest and charges filed against by the federal government started in 2019.
Yes.
Today, the court has struck out the case. How do you feel?
I mean, different. I was very sure from the beginning that the case was not going anywhere as well. And I wasn't committed in any way to an optimistic trial or even a discharge. Because the goal is to bring about a better society. And the good news today is that the revolution they were afraid of some 5 years ago is approaching the shores of Nigeria like a tsunami. And I said last week that the trigger for a revolution will be hunger. People are hungry in this country, and we cannot afford to be distracted by this case. And as you know, regardless of the case, I continue my civil advocacy in the country. I continued engaging myself in protests. I continue the revolution now. I was part of the people that started NSAS. In fact, the planning of NSAS started in my house in Abuja with Deji, and a few of us. We contributed maybe 300,000 naira to start NSAS. And we were the first to go to the headquarters of Nigerian police. And